Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to enable demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on developer options. If you cannot find the developer options, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so let's check it and come back to this video. Let's enter the developer options, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the demo mode. Let's tap on it, and right now we can first of all turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and if you want to show it, just tap on the switcher under it. And as you can see, here we've got some differences on the status bar, so all the icons are in a full state. So this is how the demo mode actually appears. If you want to hide it but still have it turned on, just tap on the switcher here, and if you want to turn it off, tap here. So actually this is it. This is how to enable demo mode in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.